Today we have a lot of animals. Let's learn their names one by one. The first one is a clownfish. This is a clownfish. The next animal is a seahorse. This is a seahorse.
Everywhere old MacDonald had a farm. E-I-E-I-O.
Octopus.
MacDonald had a farm. E-I-E-I-O. And on his farm he had a pig. E-I-E-I-O. With a here and a there, here, up, there,
Sea
up,
turtle.
everywhere. Old MacDonald had a farm. E-I-E-I-O.
A shark. This is a shark.
Old